Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make these STLs a little bit thicker. As you can see, they're relatively thin. They are historically designed, so they are 2 millimeters. That would be approximately the thickness of a real medieval steel helmet. But maybe for your purposes you want these to be more sturdy. And the easiest way to do that is to make them thicker. So it's actually very easy. You just install Blender. It's free software. You can get it on your PC. And for the stuff we're going to do, it's not very complicated actually. Let's take the visor. And then we go to this wrench icon. Click modifier. And then solidify. And what this does is this makes the mesh thicker. We'll set offset to 1. And then you can see the mesh change. Now importantly, you have to set this to only rim. And if I put it on transparent, I'll show you why. Only want the outsides of the helmet for the mesh. And if you don't do this, it will become hollow. And that's definitely not what we want. So definitely put this on only rim. And then you can make it as thick as you really need. So by default, these are 2 millimeters. So if you put this on 1, it would become 4 millimeters, so 1 millimeter on every side. So 0.5 would make it 3 millimeter. So now if we export it, so we go to File, Export STL, and then we'll save it, visor thick, selection only, export STL, and then in our slicer, if we now compare these two, you will see that it added an extra millimeter. And now if you look at the sliced STL, here you can see 1, 2, 3 perimeters approximately. And here there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we added an extra perimeter. Another thing you can do is, instead of printing this with the default 0.4, is print it with a 0.8 millimeter nozzle, because those also tend to be quite a lot stronger. One thing to keep in mind, that it also narrows the holes where the screw goes in to attach it to the helmet. And otherwise, some margins may be a little bit tighter, so assembly could be more difficult. But if you use a heat gun or a heat source, it's very easy to bend these things, give them a little bit more margin, and it doesn't completely deform or melt the whole part. Just make it slightly warm and then form it, bend it a little bit, and it will fit. I hope that was useful, and have a good printing.